Nyeri, the Kiharu Member of Parliament, Ndindi Nyoro, and the Kandara Member of Parliament, Wahome, are expected for questioning at the DCI offices following yesterday's chaos in Kenol, Murang'a County. NTV's Melita Oletenges is fast up in our live coverage. Melita, could you give us an update?
Well, Olive, the Cabinet Secretary for Education, Professor George Magoha, has already inspected the Kamwenja Teachers Training College. And as you've said, top on the list is conformity or adherence to the Ministry of Health guidelines of social distancing in class, ensuring that there are enough water points for these students to wash their hands and, of course, ensure that there is no spread of the virus in these institutions. Currently, he is at the Nyeri National Polytechnic, and he went in and actually we witnessed a number of final year students registering for the exam. We also witnessed this in Kamwenja Teachers Training College, and he is yet to speak to journalists, Olive, but we will be seeking answers on a number of issues. First of all, the new set dates for reopening of primary and secondary schools. Remember also the Ministry of Education had at some point asked teachers to go back to school, and how this is now unfolding. We will be seeking answers on this. And also there have been concerns by members of the public regarding reopening of bars, and they are saying if parents can actually go and enjoy themselves in these social places, then students should go back to school. And we'll be seeking answers regarding this from the Cabinet Secretary George Magoha when he addresses the journalists in a few minutes. But for now, Olive, he is actually in a meeting with the leaders of this institution just to see how they have conformed with the Ministry of Health guidelines. And he himself has gone through this school, inspecting classes, looking at how desks have been arranged, and as I said, water points, and also ensuring that there is sanitizers and also the thermometers to measure the temperatures of everyone that gets into this institution. Away from that, Olive, also today, the Kiharu Member of Parliament, Ndindi Nyoro, and Kandara Member of Parliament, Wahome, were expected to appear before the regional DCI office here in Nyeri following yesterday chaos. They were summoned by the DCI and through the Inspector General of Police, Hilary Mutyambai. But they said they spoke to NTV, Ndindi Nyoro spoke to NTV, saying that they are yet to receive an official summon, and therefore they will not be appearing before the DCI in Nyeri. And they're saying that they are learning of these summons from the social media pages rather, and they're saying that they will not appear before the DCI offices until they get an official summon. So we are keeping tabs on these two stories, and of course we'll be letting our viewers know everything that unfolds from Nyeri. But for now, over to you in studio, Olive.